Hello, welcome back to my channel. Now there's something representing or replacing the AI system, ChatGPT, that we all know of, and it's called Halonie. Now Halonie, it's more like an AI system, but a pigeon kind of AI system, a broken kind of AI system, and it was created by a Nigerian. Now it gives you the answers that you want, but in your own specific language. For example, let me ask you to create a code. Create a code to design a website. It comes with brute force, right? Let me see what the answer is gonna be. So it's processing like you have in your ChatGPT, type in the response, and voila, it gives me the answer. I say to create a website you need to have a knowledge of programming such as this, that and so on. But there are times whereby you ask it a funny question and it's going to give you something you never expected. For example, let me ask him that I want to go out, and see the response he gives me. I say, oh yeah, come up for here, waiting you wait for. You won't waste my time. I beg go find better thing to do. But in as much as we have the normal ChatGPT, Halonie actually gives a better way of doing it, and you don't need any form of subscription to do it. Now I can ask it specific questions like write an article or create a CV for me for the job title, let's see, HR. Let me see what its response is gonna be. Let's type in. It's gonna take a second there now. Right, so it says sure, I can help you create a CV for the job title HR. Here's a sample, your full name, address, phone number, objective to create a challenging position, and so on and so forth. So that is Halonie right there, guys, and it's a way to represent ChatGPT, and it's here to stay in the market. Of course, its chat assistant is Alaye. So guys, check that out on alaye.halonie.com/Alaye. So that is one new thing that I've come into the market, and if you have questions, please ask in the comment section below. And if you're new, you've not subscribed yet, please hit the red subscription button. Also, you can hit the push notification bell so that you will be the first to get amazing updates as we keep dropping each and every day. Thank you so much, guys. See you soon. Make sure you have a lovely day.